Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit a funnel on System.io. This is a crucial skill if you're managing sales funnels and want to customize your pages to match your brand and messaging. Let's jump right in and get started with the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your System.io dashboard where you can access all your tools and features. Now look at the top toolbar on your screen. From there, navigate to Sites and then select Sales Funnels. This will take you to a page displaying all the funnels you've created. Here, you'll see a list of your active funnels, making it easy to locate the one you want to work on. Next, click on the funnel you want to edit. This will open up the funnel's overview page, showing you all the steps and pages within that particular funnel. Once you're on this page, look to the right panel and click Edit Page. This action will take you into the editor where you can start making your customizations. If you want to edit any text on your page, simply click the text element to select it. Once selected, you'll notice the left panel updates with various editing options. Here, you can adjust the font size and line height by using the slider. Moving the slider left or right will decrease or increase these values, giving you complete control over how your text appears. You can also change the font type by clicking the drop-down menu below the font size slider. From there, select your preferred font type from the list. This allows you to match your funnel's typography with your brand's style guide, or simply choose something that looks more appealing to your audience. Additionally, you can adjust the letter spacing in the left panel by using another slider. This feature is especially useful if you want to create more breathing room between letters for a modern, clean look. Now navigate to the color section in the left panel. Click the color picker beside text background color, then select your preferred background color from the palette. This is a great way to make certain text stand out or to match your brand colors precisely. You can also adjust size and position settings such as padding and margin by clicking the up and down arrows next to these options. This gives you pixel-perfect control over the spacing around your text elements. Next, navigate to Alignment. Here, you can choose whether your text should be aligned to the left, center, or right. This simple adjustment can dramatically change how professional and organized your page looks. If you want to change an image on your funnel page, click the image to select it. In the left panel, navigate to Image File, then click the Upload button below it. A dialog box will appear prompting you to click to upload. Select the image you want from your computer, then click Open. Once you've selected your new image, click Insert. The image will now replace the old one on your page. To make sure it fits perfectly, adjust the image size in the left panel by using the slider from left to right. This allows you to scale the image up or down without distorting its proportions. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your edits, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are stored and will appear live on your funnel page. And that's it. You've successfully edited your funnel on System.io. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.